Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to turn in your career interest survey to the dual enrollment class as part of your midterm. Click on career research, that's where your interest survey is. Click on the assignment itself. Once you have completed your career interest survey, click on print. You're going to be asked to print it. Now, there isn't a printer installed and there's no print button here. So what you need to do is you need to right click on the page, print, go to destination, save it as a PDF, then hit save. Okay. We want to save it on our desktop, so we're going to change that to desktop. And this is a good name for it. Hit save, and you should see it on your desktop. Here it is. So when it's time to submit it, go to Canvas and upload this file right here, and you have turned in your career interest survey.